Hello, today we are going to make a shrimp cocktail tower using avocado, tomato, mango, cocktail shrimp with a sriracha aioli. To start, we're going to make our sriracha aioli. We have just store-bought Kraft mayonnaise. We're going to just use sriracha sauce. Danny will whisk this in. We are looking for a little spicy, but mainly color for the plate. So we're going to add like a teaspoon and a half. We're going to hold the bowl and whisk that in properly. And sriracha naturally being a little spicy, it's going to be great for this dish because everything is going to be cold and refreshing. And we're going to have a little spice in our aioli to cut through that mild flavor. We're going to add a little more. We're just going to look for a little bit of a darker color. So maybe another teaspoon and we'll whisk that in. That looks pretty good. So we're just going to store that in a squeeze bottle, and these can be picked up at any of the kitchen equipment aisles in the supermarket, and store it in our squeeze bottle until we need to decorate our plate. Next, we need our tomato that we're going to prepare for our layer in the salad. So I'm just going to dice that. We're just using the skin, the outer skin of the tomato, because it's firmer. There's going to be less water in it, and that will help hold our shrimp salad together better. Next, we need the chopped tarragon to go with our diced tomato. And we're just going to mix that in with salt and cracked black pepper. The only dressing on this shrimp tower is going to be the sriracha aioli. Everything's going to be infused with fresh herbs and just salt and pepper to enhance the flavor and let it macerate in its own juices. Do a pinch of salt. A little cracked pepper, and Daniel will just mix that in. And then I'll start on the dicing of a mango. Next, for the diced mango, I'm going to use some fresh cilantro. And we can be quite heavy with the cilantro. That's fine. We can just finely chiffonade, slice the cilantro. We don't have to chop it up too fine. And again, we'll just a little seasoning, and black pepper, and our cilantro, and we'll just let that macerate. We have our diced mango, cilantro, diced tomato, and tarragon. Now Daniel's going to detail the shrimp, and we're going to marinate those for the top of our shrimp tower. Do you remember how to detail shrimp?
Yeah, this is how you detail shrimp. You pinch the bottom top of it and
top of the tail and the bottom of the body.
Squeeze and then pull it off.
You want to show them again?
Yes.
Then I'm just going to slice the shrimp in half acrossways. We're going to marinate those with a squeeze of lime juice and a pinch of salt. Do you like shrimp?
Yes.
So just a little squeeze of lime juice. We'll have a little pinch of salt and we'll just let those macerate. Now in order to build our shrimp cocktail tower, I'm just using a metal ring. Now you can substitute your hardware store or kids, if you want to ask your dad if he's got any spare PVC piping. He'll think you're smart because he won't think that you don't know what PVC piping is. It's a plastic tubing that you'll find in a plumbing store, and you can just cut out sections and give it a wash, and it's very safe and hygienic. So we're going to place this down. To build the bottom of our cocktail, we're going to cut the avocado a little different. You cut around the avocado and just release it. Then you can take a tablespoon and remove the skin from your avocado by running it around your skin, the outside, until you reach the top, and the whole avocado will come out. And we're just going to build an avocado roulade. So you want a nice ripe avocado and you want to slice as thinly as you can each slice of avocado until you make your way all the way to the end. You could also build this just using diced avocado, but we're going to do something a little different today. So you want to take your knife and your hand and you want to just stretch that out like playing with a deck of cards. And you can go out as far as you want and it will still stay standing up. Then you want to start from the thin end and roll it up. And we just want to roll it up until we're as big as the tube and it all fits inside. As I showed you, that's the avocado roulade inside the tube. And that tube, for your purpose, it's around 2.5, 3 inches across. So if you use plastic PVC, something like that, it's going to work great. On top of the avocado roulade, we're going to add our tomato salad. And we only want to add enough so it comes up about 1/2 inch. And it covers the top of the avocado. So enough tomato salad to cover the top of the avocado. And you want to push it all the way to the edge and press it down. Because we're going to make it nice and flat and firm for the next layer of mango. And then on top of that tomato, we'll put our mango and cilantro salad. And again, about 1/2 inch layer. Another spoonful. And another one. One more. And then again, we'll take it and we'll press it down on top of our tomato layer. Now to finish, we're going to take our shrimp halves and we're just going to lay these in. And because we cut them in half, they're going to be nice and flat. And we'll just overlap them. And we want to do this 2 times to go around, so we've got 2 layers. That looks about right, and we'll reach the top of our mold. We're going to finish with a squeeze of lime juice over the top of our shrimp. And then we're going to press everything down while we lift up our ring. To finish the shrimp tower, we're just going to trellis the sriracha aioli over the top and finish with some fresh cilantro. And there you have it. It looks exquisite, but really quite simple and really delicious.